Hello, everyone. This is Jillian Verdun from JMV Financial Services, your profit strategist, bringing tips and tricks to improve your financial situation for the new year. Today, we get to talk about 4 things to do today to minimize life's financial surprises. Life is unpredictable. Your secured job gets outsourced. You fall in love. Your brand new car needs repairs. Your kid flushes a toy down the toilet. Things totally out of our control can happen at any given moment. While you may not ever be fully mentally prepared for life's little surprises, you can be financially ready to take them on without having a panic or scramble. Seems like wishful thinking, considering your current situation, right? So today, I'm going to give you 4 easy money hacks you can start doing to make the impossible possible. Number 1, have an emergency fund. Living paycheck to paycheck can make saving money seem nearly impossible, but you don't have to go from 0 to 1,000 in one shot. Start small by direct depositing anywhere from $10 to $30 each week into a savings account. Think of it as those 3 coffee shop venti lattes you could make at home for $1. I'm guilty of that myself because I love Starbucks. When that money gets automatically put into another account, you won't even miss it. You won't have to go through the mental spending of it and talking yourself out of all the reasons you should be saving it. And once you start seeing the extra zeros behind the $10 or so you started with, you'll be surprised in a positive way and be encouraged to keep up your direct deposit even more. Number 2, expect the expenses and save for them. Make a list of every expense you can think of, from property taxes to dental visits, and then figure out how much you need to save each month to pay for them. For example, if your property taxes on your house and your car combined are $3,000, that's $250 a month at $62.50 per week. You can also have direct deposited into a savings account. At first, it seems like a stretch, but it certainly beats the alternative of having to go further in debt because you weren't prepared. Number 3, eliminate debt. Speaking of debt, setting up a debt repayment plan is imperative. When you take a look at how much you're spending in interest each month on your loans and credit cards, money you're paying for convenience that's well over and above the original purchase price, you just might be motivated to make this your number 1 priority. This can seem overwhelming and intimidating. So setting up a free consultation with a financial planner is a great first start. Number 4, live below your means. I know. It goes against everything Americans has to, like they say, follow the Joneses. But more than likely, you don't even know the Joneses or what kind of stress they amassed from trying to maintain their lifestyle. As with everything, baby step your way into this new mentality and way of life by automating savings, reducing your weekly fast food lunches and coffees, carpooling to work and school, and any other creative way you can come up with to take the financial pressure off of you and your family now. Your future selves will thank you as well. But don't go it alone. Find someone who can help you make the transition fun and stress-free as you set yourself up for financial freedom with the financial surprises. If you're not able to find someone to help you, please feel free to reach out to us today and we can help you get started. So I would like to thank you for listening today, and please follow us on your favorite podcast going forward. Thank you. Bye.